Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use the Photomator app. So let's get started. So here you can use it by this way. It's very easy. So here we'll just go to the Google search bar and you will directly search for the Photomator. Okay, or we'll search for the here we can directly see for the app. Okay. So here I will directly search for here how to use Photomator. So you can just follow this way and you can use it. So it's very easy. You can just pause this video and read this, and it's very easy to do. And if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. So thank you for watching. Bye.